Hello, fifth graders. You will be continuing your research on the chocolate milk debate. The first article you read, Nutrition in Disguise, gave you a lot of evidence for having chocolate milk in school. The article you will read today is called Chocolate Milk More Harmful Than Helpful by Jonathan Smith. So right away, we can tell that this article is going to provide us some different kind of evidence against having chocolate milk in school. So as I read, I want you to listen and be on alert for the strongest pieces of evidence this article contains against having chocolate milk in school. All right, let's read. Chocolate milk, more harmful than helpful. Schools around the world serve chocolate milk, and kids love it. On a recent Australian newscast, investigative reporter Chloe Baker interviewed children about chocolate milk. The only time I get chocolate milk is when I go to school, one youngster told Miss Baker as her friends nodded. In fact, many children only get to have chocolate milk at school, but they get to drink a lot of it there. Some children consume as many as 10 or even 15 cartons of chocolate milk in a week at school. Baker noted that it's an out of control problem. Chocolate milk has sky high sugar content. One teeny carton of chocolate milk has approximately 30 grams of sugar. That is more than a can of soda, and you wouldn't see schools giving kids Coke. In fact, according to the Coca-Cola Company, a mini can, which contains 7.5 fluid ounces of soda, has only 25 grams of sugar. Thus, a small container of chocolate milk has approximately 20% more sugar than soda. Jamie Oliver, a food lover and activist, has been leading a campaign against chocolate milk in schools. According to his website, when kids drink chocolate and strawberry milk every day at school, they're getting nearly 2 gallons of extra sugar each year. That's really bad for their health. In an episode of his television show Food Revolution, Oliver filled a school bus with 57 tons of sand, representing the amount of sugar American children consume in 1 week just from drinking chocolate milk. Ann Cooper, the head of nutrition services for the Boulder Valley School District in Louisville, Colorado, also champions the cause to ban chocolate milk from schools. Chocolate milk is soda dressed up, stated the self-proclaimed renegade lunch lady. It works as a treat in homes, but it doesn't belong in schools. Thanks to their relentless efforts and highly publicized stunts, these champions of nutrition have caught the public's eye. People are standing up and taking notice, especially as obesity remains a growing problem in the United States. John Deasy, the superintendent of the Los Angeles Public Schools, announced that chocolate and strawberry milk would be banned from LA schools. The Queensland Health Minister also stated that he would take the matter under advisement as they pay attention to what Jamie Oliver does. So, what should kids drink in school? Danielle Martin, director of Jamie's Ministry of Food, an organization started by Oliver in the UK, says children need plain milk. Plain milk also contains vitamins children need, such as vitamin D. Parents agree with Martin, stating that children would be more likely to choose plain milk over chocolate if not given the choice. All right, that's the end of the article. Really different than the first article, huh? And some information that seems to be, in conflict. So we need to do even more research to find out what's true. Your job now, fifth graders, is to reread this article and to pull out the most strong pieces of evidence. Which pieces of evidence in this article would really convince somebody that we should not have chocolate milk in school? And see if you can find at least 3 pieces of evidence. I also want to add that at this phase in our research, we're trying to be objective. So that means that we're trying not to let our own personal opinions about this issue impact our research. Not yet. We're collecting evidence for both sides so that we then can make a decision. You might already know in your mind how you feel about this issue, but we want to try to do research and really pull together information for both sides of the argument. So today, you're going to be finding those pieces of evidence against having chocolate milk in schools. Good luck.